The Wilson Arts Council is in the midst of a rebrand. With a new logo, building renovations, curriculum expansions, and more, the organization is hoping its relaunch will open up new opportunities to an already artistically rich community. Kathy Hardison, Director of Wilson Arts, has been actively involved with each step of the rebranding and renovation.
We are so excited about the recent renovation of the Wilson Arts Center. We just completed phase 1, which is about 13,000 of the 20,000 square feet, and 5,000 of that is flexible gallery and event space.
The renovation will make Wilson Arts one of the largest spaces in Wilson. This means Wilson Arts can now host art markets, rehearsals for the local theater program, and live performances. But that's not all. The building will also house several rooms for art classes, conferences, as well as a kitchen for culinary classes.
Having a space for all of this to happen, a place to capture all of this creative energy is going to be great for Wilson.
Over the last decade, Wilson has come into its own as a hub for arts and culture. With the opening of the council's revamped headquarters and increased curriculum, creative thinkers will have yet another reason to visit. To experience Wilson Arts' new location for yourself, simply pack up the car and let your imagination go.